the symptoms of COPD? How does a person present to a doctor? So patients of COPD mainly have two symptoms. First is breathlessness, second is cough. Okay, so both these symptoms are slowly progressing in the sense the difficulty in breathing initially will start as inability to run, inability to walk long distances. If the disease progresses slowly, his activities will become limited. He will start feeling breathless or even going to the washroom, even doing minimal activities. And if it still further progresses, he will start feeling breathless even at rest. The breathlessness is one of the common symptoms. Second is cough. Most COPD people also have cough. This cough is usually associated with phlegm or sputum production. So they will have chronic cough with production of sputum. This is usually more prominent in the mornings, early mornings, more prominent in the winter seasons, and this is called as bronchitis also. So cough with production of phlegm. These are the two important symptoms of COPD.